In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a linked device from WhatsApp Web. If you've ever used WhatsApp on a shared or public computer, logging out properly ensures your messages stay private. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. Start by opening your web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result that takes you to web.whatsapp.com. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the page and a secure padlock in the address bar. Using an up-to-date browser and a stable internet connection will make this process smoother. To access your account, you can either scan the QR code or, in some regions, sign in using your phone number. For the QR method, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the menu for linked devices, choose Link a Device, and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code shown in the browser. If you see the option to log in with a phone number on the web page, you can select that, enter your number, and then approve the login on your phone when prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts until the web page refreshes. Once you're logged in, your chat list will appear on the left. That confirms the web session is linked to your WhatsApp account. Now it's time to remove this linked device. Look for Settings in WhatsApp Web. Depending on your layout, you'll find it by clicking the three dots or the menu icon near your profile picture, or by selecting the small gear icon. Click Settings to open the menu. Inside Settings, find and click Log Out. This option is specifically for ending the current web session and removing this browser as a linked device. When the confirmation pop-up appears, confirm the action. The page will return to the login screen with the QR code, which means the device has been successfully unlinked from your account. That's all you need to do on the computer. As a quick privacy tip, especially if you used a public or shared machine, close the browser tab and, if possible, clear recent browsing data to remove any cached information. If you use multiple computers, repeat this process on each one to ensure all sessions are signed out. You can also review your active sessions from within the WhatsApp app on your phone if you want an extra layer of assurance. Thanks for watching. If this helped, take a moment to secure your other devices too, and you'll keep your chats exactly where they belong, private.